Some countries are blessed with oil. Others have vast reserves of gold or natural gas. Thailand has none of these. Yet today, it has one of the strongest economies in Southeast Asia. So here's the real question. If natural resources didn't make Thailand rich, what did? The answer isn't hidden underground. It's hidden in the decisions the country made over the last 4 decades. When most people think about Thailand, they think of beaches, temples, Bangkok, and delicious street food. Tourism certainly plays a huge role in the country's economy. Millions of visitors spend money on hotels, restaurants, transportation, shopping, and entertainment, creating jobs for millions of people. But here's the interesting part. Thailand never depended only on tourism. It knew that relying on one industry would always be risky. So while tourists were arriving, Thailand was quietly building something much bigger. Today, Thailand is one of Asia's largest manufacturing hubs. It is often called the Detroit of Asia because global automobile companies manufacture millions of vehicles and auto parts there. The country also produces electronics, home appliances, machinery, and industrial equipment that are exported worldwide. Instead of simply selling raw materials, Thailand creates products with much higher value. That means more jobs, more exports, and a stronger economy. Agriculture remains another powerful source of income. Thailand is among the world's largest exporters of rice, natural rubber, tropical fruits, seafood, and sugar. But its success isn't just about growing crops. It processes, packages, and exports these products across the globe. Every stage, from farming to shipping, creates jobs and adds value to the economy. Thailand also understood another important lesson. Investment follows opportunity. The government invested heavily in roads, ports, industrial zones, education, and skilled workers. Its strategic location in Southeast Asia made it an ideal manufacturing and export hub. As a result, companies from Japan, China, Europe, and the United States established factories there. These investments didn't just bring money. They brought technology, skills, innovation, and millions of employment opportunities. So, what is Thailand's biggest economic secret? It isn't tourism. It isn't manufacturing. It isn't agriculture. It isn't foreign investment. It's diversification. Thailand built an economy with multiple engines. When one sector slows down, others continue moving the country forward. And that's a lesson that goes far beyond economics. Whether you're managing a country, running a business, or planning your personal finances, relying on a single source of income is always risky. The strongest economies and the strongest financial futures are built through diversification. Thailand didn't become successful because it found more resources. It became successful because it made better economic decisions. If you enjoy understanding the hidden logic behind money, economies, and the decisions that shape our world, subscribe to Mizan Suleman.